Hello everyone, I'm here with a layout and the background is going to be Basil cardstock, and I did some gesso on the background using stencil, and now I'm going to do the packaging technique using some Tim Holtz oxide inks. And the inks I purchased through HipKit. I have the Tim Holtz oxide ink pads in their color add-on kit. I will get, which I didn't check for June, the June kit, if it what the color add-on kit was. Okay, well, at any rate. Oh well. I will go back and see. So I'm going to do several different colors. I'm going to stay with the greens and the yellows and the teals and the aquas, the blues and the greens. So I know where my photo is going to go in the layers, and so I know my mixed media will show through. I am adding it up high. And I only put white gesso in using the stencils. I did not put it anywhere else on my paper, so it lays differently on regular paper versus done with gesso first, whether it be clear or white gesso. Either way, it goes on differently. But looks the same nonetheless. Or it looks the same. Looks nice. That's what I meant to say. All the same. Or nonetheless. While I'm doing this, I'm thinking about my to-dos, so I'm kind of distracted with, I'm here, but yet my mind is thinking. So I apologize. So I'm just going to soak up some of the extras, and then I'm going to move on to my layers. So that blue layer, heart layer, let me see if I can find it on my sheet. Yep, it is Maggie Holmes Sunny Days. And then I have the aqua grid layer there behind the pink layer. That one was a scrap. I have the pink layer from Maggie Holmes Sunny Days as well. I'm going to use that polka dot print there, and it is Maggie Holmes Sunny Days as well. So let's just say, so far all my paper layers are Maggie Holmes Sunny Days. Except for the aqua grid, that one is a scrap, and I do not have the branding strip in which to tell me who made it. And I tried to do, I've had this photo printed for a while and in my stash to scrapbook, but I, however, did not, for I didn't have anything that was more of a beach summery theme until this March kit. Once I do these 16 voiceovers, I am caught up to my May kit, because I have March April's process in here, and then the first 4 pages of May, and then I did, yeah, 3, 1, 2, yeah, 3 layouts that I have to take pictures of yet, so they won't be in this process, right? And this set of voiceovers I do, but then it gives me a billion to try to save to produce for uploading to YouTube. That's going to take me a while. I need to try to do at least 2 a day, and I'll have them done by the time I go back to school in August. So anyway, so I'm going to write down my patterns I use so I don't forget. This is where I note what I use, so that way when I come to do the voiceovers and put on my blog, I know exactly what I used. Which if I don't know, 9 times out of 10 I can just go to I know this is HipKit, so I can just go to their website and pull up the current kit that I'm doing and get the product descriptions from there. So I'm going to use some strips and just do some layering. And then you see Patton there. I'm thinking he gets in my way in a minute and I have to stop and come back. Ah, boy. I mowed just last night half the yard, and I got the other half to mow. It was just too hot for me to do it all. So, all right, so the blue heart pattern I cut into a banner. And I'm going to, and I thought about using that Hello Summer card and use it as my title, but I end up not using it for this particular layout, but I use it for the next one. So I'm going to use this card. It says My View. And it was really beautiful in West Palm Beach. Walking by the beach, um, it was all these plants and flowers, and then there would be a path through those to get to the actual beach by the water. So you were very far from walking on the sidewalk. You were very far from the water. It wasn't like going to Daytona Beach and when you walk on the beach, the water's right there. Or you're walking on the sidewalk and you can clearly see the beach behind the hotels that are, of course, beachside. But yeah, it was different because even when we would walk on Miami Beach, it would be you could see the water, you could see the beach. But this you couldn't even I couldn't even really see the water. It was, as you could see, this is facing the ocean, I do believe. Yeah, because I'm on the sidewalk, and you see that there's a sand path, and you can't even see water. It's all plants. So it was a detour. It was a scenic detour. And I believe, let's see here. Yeah, we rented a vehicle to go down because Alex's Passat was not drivable that far. And we got a good deal through his work too, so. Alrighty. So I'm just going to add all my die cuts. Alright, so now for the embellishments. I'm going to use those branches that you see and also hearts. And those are American Crafts Summertime Thickers. And also my title, which is Sun Plus Shine, is also from the American Crafts Summertime Thickers. And I'm going to use these chipboard stickers, which are Maggie Holmes. It's probably Sunny Days. And then I'm also going to use some enamel hearts from Amy Tangerine. And then that pretty much sums up what I used to complete the layout is some chipboard stickers and some of the thickers that came there, and then these enamel hearts. And that My View card, I didn't mention that one. I used to subscribe to the Project Life add-on, so that way I could get even so I could get even more embellishments than the embellishment add-on and the main kit. And then I decided it was just too much embellishments, where I was accumulating a lot of it. Not because even with the embellishment kit and the main kit, I don't entirely use up all of the embellishments. Sometimes, but not always, especially stickers. So I end up putting them into a container where all the other past kits go for me to pull from if I need to. Anyway, so My View card is from a past Project Life add-on kit. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.